This is Brad Aldrich, and this week's topic is unemployment. Many people who have lost their jobs and are filing for unemployment are finding themselves being disqualified for unemployment benefits. There are typically two main reasons that employees find themselves being disqualified, and that is a voluntary leaving or misconduct. Voluntary leaving is where the employer is claiming that you quit your job as opposed to being fired. If in fact it is determined that you did voluntarily leave, you are not eligible for unemployment benefits. Now, you can challenge the fact that you had good cause attributable to your employer for a voluntary leaving. In other words, if something in your workplace made it so difficult for you to remain to work there, meaning a hostile work environment, etc., then you can claim that you had good cause for leaving, and therefore you should not be disqualified for unemployment benefits. The other main reason that employees find themselves disqualified for unemployment benefits is misconduct. That is defined as a substantial disregard of your employer's interests. In other words, if you are caught stealing or if you have been repeatedly violating rules, then you can be determined to have conducted misconduct and therefore be disqualified for unemployment benefits. Once again, you have the right to challenge a misconduct claim because the burden is on the employer to show that you engaged in misconduct. And misconduct is something more than just a simple one-time act. In other words, showing up late to work one time or failing to do something one time. Even if it was negligent in nature, it does not give rise to misconduct. And there's a lot of case law, there's been a lot of litigation on this, and you have a right to challenge these disqualifications. Now the steps involved go like this. You file for unemployment and there will be a determination. And either the employee or the employer has a right to appeal that. If so, then there is a redetermination that is made. Once again, either side can appeal this, and then it goes in front of an administrative law judge where you have an actual trial. And then that judge will render an opinion, and either side can appeal that decision up to a board of review, and then either side has the right to appeal that up to the circuit court, at which time you go in front of another judge, and there are briefs that are submitted and arguments given, and that judge will then make a decision as to whether the administrative law judge had made what's called a reversible error. And then theoretically, either side has the right to appeal that circuit court decision all the way up to the Court of Appeals. A number of these steps, in my opinion, require an attorney that specializes in unemployment. And we at Aldrich Legal Services have a lot of experience in regards to unemployment. So please give us a call, set up a free consultation, or visit our website. Thank you.